Hello and welcome to Bowler CBT Labs. My name is Matt Bowler, and in this video we will be configuring a Cisco iOS Certificate Authority server. And the reason that we will be doing this is to show the basic functionality and configuration, as well as begin to prep for the scalable authentication methods that we will be using in several labs down the line, namely some VPN labs. We've gone over pre-shared keys for an authentication method, but next we will dive into the certificate process and how we can utilize the Cisco iOS as a CA server, and a possible solution for almost any type of environment that you may be working in. You may not want to put that load on your Cisco device, but know that the capability is there, and we will go over the configuration, which once you first dive into it, it may be a little bit confusing, but when you see the parts all come together and actually work, and you get it doing what you want it to do for you, it's a pretty cool feature, and it might actually stir a little bit of interest and cause you to dive deeper into the subject, which is usually the case with a lot of the topics that I know that I've covered with the Cisco iOS and devices and all that comes along with that glorious technology. To begin here, we have a fairly simple topology. We've got two routers that are being run within GNS3, so they are virtual devices, and it's important to keep that in mind for one of the functionalities that we will get into and cover here in just a few moments. But our router 1 over here will be our certificate authority, the server there, and router 2 will be the client. So the bulk of the configuration will be on our server there, and then you'll see some of the same configuration also apply on the client. Let's go ahead and get started here on router 1, and we will enter configuration mode. By now I hope that you've seen and generated keys before. If not, if you've just done keys, like a general key usage for SSH or something like that, what we'll be doing here is generating a key set specifically for use for the CA server, and we can accomplish that by entering the crypto key